Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to edit Shopify header. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for shopify.com. Next, get to the website editor of your Shopify store, and all of the front-end editing will be done on this web page. Here, you will have the announcement bar at the top first. You can edit it by getting to the right side of the screen and then entering the target text. Also, you can delete the announcement bar if you want by clicking on the trash icon beside it. Now, in the header block, there are a bunch of changes that you can do. You can change the logo placement at the top or other things. Once you're done with it, save the changes and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can edit Shopify header. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.